hungry. Again.
I need some coffee. Right there.
Look at that white thing.
Whoa.
I'm so white. Happy 4th of July! Oh, Kathryn and Danielle! Oh, oh! We're celebrating in Disney's Animal Kingdom. Kathryn, you like looking at yourself? And we're getting a picture because you have your memory maker.
Look at my Mickey. I got the
Oh,
bus.
she's got her Mickey.
Oh, I forgot that was on.
You better not mess with her.
Maybe that's why that guy was messing.
She knows her stuff, yo.
I know.
The sticker I picked up.
Kathryn had a moment with the security guard.
There's supposedly I need to check if there's 101 Dalmatians on this. But if there's 102, it's part 2 of 102 Dalmatians.
Oh, snap. We bonded over my Simba keychain and we were like, Lion King, best movie ever.
We could see Lion King.
Yes.
I haven't seen it in a long time.
Forgot how much.
Obviously, we're winging
hour,
it today.
Every hour except for 2 p.m.
Slow clap for that, but I have no hands.
You absolutely can do the Wilderness Explorers. Let me take my sunglasses off. I'm going to be a little squinty, but we'll make it work. So you guys are familiar with the program?
Kind of.
Kind of, okay. So the Wilderness Explorers is a fun program that's kind of meant to enrich your time here at the park. It is free. So all of these kind of sticker locations here are badges. So for example, here is a badge. You would go up and do the activity here, and then you would earn your badge. Must be explored.
Must be explored.
And flip those hands around with bird wings and say caw, caw.
Caw, caw.
And then roar.
Roar.
Great job, guys. So 3 books for you. You all have earned your very first badge. Congratulations.
Yay.
Don't run away from me just yet. We have 3 more gifts for you. These are for your shirt. This is your Wilderness Explorer player badge.
Thank you.
Sweetness.
Absolutely.
Oh, your ring is awesome.
3
It's so patriotic.
It was in a cupcake that I ate today.
Ooh, from Sprinkles?
Yeah.
Ooh, fabulous.
So, like, getting all
Bling bling.
in here.
I love it.
Miss America, I can do it. Awesome. Have a great time, guys.
Thank you so much,
Absolutely.
Callie.
Have a great day, guys.
You too.
Have fun exploring.
Bye, thank you.
Have fun on your adventure.
Yeah! Adventure time.
It's so much more fun to be here when you're off.
I know. I don't know why I said it like that. I know.
He's called a tenrec. T-E-N-R-E-C. A lot of people think he's a hedgehog.
It looks
he's actually
like
not
the-
even related
Yeah, it's
to
a-
a hedgehog. He's his own kind of little group of animals.
Now, is the
There's
skin
23
like spiky like a hedgehog?
Mhm. Yeah, there's 23 different types of tenrec.
Wow.
Yes, he does have a girlfriend named Rapunzel.
Oh.
She's got blonde tips to her spines, so she was named first, and then he was named. So we were like, oh, perfect. She's got blonde hair, but it's brown underneath. Which is, if you've seen the movie,
Yeah.
so blonde hair and then ends up with brown. So that's where her name came from. And then he came along, and we already had an animal named Flynn, so we decided to name him Ryder. He's good. Yep. Oh yeah, they're excellent climbers.
Wow.
Danielle just
that
had her
just
favorite
made
experience.
My internship right there, right there. 3 times in a row on Dinosaur. No
Whole
stops.
car to ourselves.
Whole car, they freaked out, me laughing. That was
We could
amazing.
have had the pictures, but I think we were like,
That was in.
Oh my gosh, if they could take videos on that ride,
Oh God, they
we'd be
should.
hysterical.
They should.
Maybe they will on the refurb. Maybe they, I didn't know it was getting refurbed till you told me.
I need so
Apparently
many
it is.
pictures of me from that
Show
ride
them
that I
Dino
saved.
Sue.
I'm just gonna.
Caroline, show them Dino Sue.
Oh hey, Dinosaur girl, what's up? How you doing? I hate that ride, but Danielle loves it, so we did it 3 times, and now it's growing on me.
Look at the bunny.
Bunny!
I've been at the carnivore bunny.
just overwhelmed.
I'm like shaking so much. I am shaking so much from that ride. I can't hold my camera still. That was crazy. The ride is growing on me now.
Dentro del dinosaurio.
Front row can use their lever to tilt the dinosaur forward or backward. Riders in the back row can use their lever to fly higher or lower.
Oh,
Have a fun
so
spin.
you get the
Oh, ho, ho.
going on a rodeo. This ain't your first rodeo, is it now? All right, now
This is about my 73rd. It's like riding a horse. Yeah, Lassie. Get it on. Oh my gosh, look at the little thing. It goes up and down. Danielle's got her first Coke float.
Incredible.
A whole new world.
Forget gold.
Catherine's chilling with her ice cream. How is it? I got my orange soda float. It's kind of like a creamsicle, and it is so good. We just have Finding Nemo.
Yeah, welcome aboard, everyone. We'll be getting started in just a moment. I do.
Ready to go on a safari?
We're gonna be safe. I was hoping we might find a black rhino. Sometimes we'll.
It's like Dinosaur all over again. Yeah, buddy.
That was still the best day, part of my day.
Oh, I'm so zoomed in on your face. That's my cousin. What's your cousin's name, Kathryn? Nothing. Hannah.
My trees look a little different. If you look real close, you'll understand why they earned the nickname the Upside Down Tree. Really closely at a giraffe, you just might notice they're very tall.
Rock.
Wow, let's see.
Rock on. Nailed it. That vibrato though. Hashtag chorus terms. Yeah, my butt cheeks hurt.
I think it was those 3 rounds of Dinosaur with no break. And that
All the
Finding Nemo
jerkiness.
batch.
Yeah. Oh, those Finding Nemo benches. So uncomfortable. We are now on our way to Poly to catch some 4th of July fireworks. Oh, oh! So excited! Kathryn saw the fireworks last night. No! Are you excited to see them again?
Yeah! Hope the music.